Holy f***ing shit. Lowbrow Custom. Beep, beep.
All right, everybody, it's time for another one of Todd's Tech Tip Quickies from America's favorite moto guru, Todd.
Hey guys and gals, today I want to show you these awesome Lowbrow Custom throttle controls we have on the website at lowbrowcustoms.com. These are for below 1996 and 1996. They went to push fit on the cables. These are for threaded. We have them available in black and we have them available in aluminum. If you want shiny, I'm pretty confident that you could sand this down and hit it on your buffing wheel and you'd have shiny. All pre-95 and below Harley-Davidson cables are going to have threaded ends on them. The throttle control is going to match the threaded end of the cable. You can't screw it up because of the size of the threads. The throttle cable will have a 5/16 18 thread, and it will thread into this side of the control. The throttle idle cable will be 1/4 and it will thread into this side of the control. One of the cable opens it and the other cable closes. Throttle cable opens it and the throttle idle cable closes it. So when you're shopping for cables on the website, make sure you're ordering one throttle cable and one throttle idle cable. The sizes will be listed in the listings for the cables. The other way you can tell that the throttle idle cable has a small spring on the end of the cable where it goes into the cable guide on the carburetor. These controls can be used on CV carburetors. They can be used on S&S carburetors. They cannot be used on Mikuni HSR 42 because they take their own special cables. These will work very well with any CV carb out there. And if you have an S&S, you want to pay attention to which cable guide you're using. This tall cable guide is the latest and greatest from S&S, where you can use a CV cable on your S&S. If you have this short cable guide on your S&S carburetor, you are not going to be happy with a CV cable because it's not going to work right. It's going to have too much free play. Because this is taller, it takes up the space. These are a Lowbrow exclusive, available at lowbrowcustoms.com. They're not available anyplace else on the internet. Only we have these because we make these. This is our design. One of the other really neat features about these throttles is when you tighten that sucker down on your handlebar, you're not going to have some unsightly gap there like some of the aftermarket throttles out there. Head on over to the website, check them out. If you need help picking out cables or with anything at all, you give me a shout. That's what I'm here for. Check it out, lowbrowcustoms.com. Cables, throttle controls, we got them.
Todd's Tech Tip Quickie.